Okay, hello everyone, and welcome back to the next lesson on using the TinyBit robotics kit. This is lesson 4, and we're going to be looking at some of the sensors on our TinyBit today. And our little robot, we're going to be looking at the ultrasonic sensor, and we're going to talk about that. So just switch over to our presentation here, and the first one we're going to look at is called Measuring Worker. Okay, so if I look at my BBC, if I look at my little robot here, on the front we have what's called ultrasonic sensors. So ultrasonic sensors detect distance. Okay, I'm going to explain a little bit more about how that works. So here's some information about it here, and it has a. So on the front of our device, we have two ultrasonic probes, they're called, and they transmit a sound that the human ear can't hear, and it's pitch of 840 kilohertz, and we can measure then the distance, and the way we do it is using this formula down here, and the formula is the high time. So whenever the echo is sent and received back, we can measure that coming back basically, and then we can multiply it by the speed of sound divided by 2, and that'll give us the distance that our object is away. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to get prepared for downloading our code, and so we're using the online mode here, and we're going to copy this link here. So I will just copy this link and see, and head over to the makecode.microbit.org. It's at the top there, makecode.microbit.org, and we're going to just put in a new project, and this one is going to be lesson 4, and we're going to call that one distance measuring worker. Okay, and create. Okay, so what does it say here? It says add the Yaboom package to our program. So we go down to advanced, or no, we go to extensions, sorry. We go to extensions here, and we just paste that link we've got, press enter, and it should pop up here. And then this will let us get the TinyBit blocks we can use in our code today. So let's go down and see what we need to get. So we need 2 blocks, show number, and we need the ultrasonic return distance. And it should look something like this. So we're going to do forever, and we're going to have show number, basic, show number, and we want to have TinyBit, and we're just going to have ultrasonic sensor return. Okay, very straightforward. Let's switch over to our BBC Microbit. If it hasn't done so already, make sure you have connected it. If you don't know how to do that, it's in previous tutorials, but it's straightforward enough. You just press connect here. I'm going to press download. It should flash my BBC Microbit here, so we can detect, just make sure it's switched off. And in actual fact, for the day, it's a good idea to make sure it's disconnected as well, and see if it's downloaded. Okay, so the first time it's downloading, it may take a bit of time because it's adding some new packages to your device. So again, disconnect it from here, and I'll just switch over to there so we can see it, and we're going to connect it in here and turn it on. Okay, so we should have a number on the top, so if I move my hand to it, it should get a bit less. You should be able to measure the distance. Let's see if we can get it to work. Okay, so that's that one. Let's see if you can do it. Of course, take a screenshot of your code and attach it to today's assignment.